Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn CAD for mechanical engineering. First, understand that CAD, or computer-aided design, is essential for creating detailed digital models of parts and assemblies. It's the foundation for bringing your engineering ideas to life, from initial concept to final production. Start by grasping fundamental concepts like sketching in 2 dimensions and building 3-dimensional solid models. This foundational knowledge will serve as your springboard into more complex design challenges. Next, select the right CAD software for your learning journey. Programs like SolidWorks, Autodesk Fusion 360, and AutoCAD are industry standards, each with unique strengths. Many offer free student licenses or trial periods, so you can explore without a significant investment. Leverage the vast array of online resources, including YouTube tutorials, dedicated online courses, and community forums, to guide you through the interface and core functionalities of your chosen software. Consistent practice is absolutely vital for skill development. Begin by modeling simple parts, like a basic bracket or a small gear, to solidify your understanding of features and constraints. Gradually advance to more complex assemblies, combining multiple parts into functional designs. Participate in online design challenges or create personal projects to apply your knowledge in practical scenarios. This hands-on experience will build your confidence and problem-solving abilities. As you progress, delve into advanced CAD topics such as finite element analysis for simulation, computer-aided manufacturing, and generative design. Consider pursuing certifications for specific software, which can significantly boost your resume. Crucially, compile a compelling portfolio of your best CAD projects, including renderings and technical drawings. This portfolio will be invaluable when applying for internships or entry-level mechanical engineering positions, demonstrating your practical design capabilities.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.